Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. Today I am start solving the West Bengal Joint Entrance Exam for Computer Application WBJECA or MC admission in 2023 question paper full detailed analysis with solution. And if you need classes from our side and if you need doubt clearing session, PYQ solution, mock test, you can call or WhatsApp on this number. Okay, let's start today's session. So in this question asks what is the output of the following program. So the first line is has include stdio.h means including standard input output header file. Okay, and it will start a void main function. That means the main function of return type void means it will return type of main function. What is the meaning of void? That means null. Okay, so in this session, and this bracket will be called brace, second bracket, and first bracket will be called in C programming parenthesis. Okay, so in this session let's declare a pointer type variable. Let's say ptr. This sign will indicate this will be pointer to integer variable, pointer to integer variable. Okay, and that can store the address of an integer pointer. That can store a, it will be store address of a integer pointer. Okay, and in this part let's say the next line will told integer type variable. Let's take an integer type variable temp that will hold the number 65. This also integer type. Okay, and in this step ptr, that means declare array pointer of 0 address, will store the ampersand means address of the variable. So temp address, let's say an example, the value of temp is value of temp variable is 65. Let's say it will store an address of 2025. What is the, where are 2025 are to be stored? Pointer of, this will array pointer of ptr, sorry, pointer of 0, pointer of 1, pointer of 2, pointer of 3. Okay, 20 here, the number 2025 will be the store, but here attempt to store the address of temp in the first element. The first ptr0 means first element, ptr0 pointed to by a pointer. However, the pointer of array is not initialized. Okay, is not initialized, so this will occur uh, this does not point to a valid memory address, so this statement will be totally false. Okay, if you need this, we can declare an pointer type array. Okay, but here we declare pointer type integer. Please check this point, int ptr. Okay, so this will not be same. Okay, so and does not point to a valid memory address. This line causes an undefined behavior. This line causes which line? To this line. Okay, this line causes undefined behavior. So it likely results a segmentation fault. Okay, so this line could not be executed. When we print this line, print percentage d of pointer of 0 and 0, that means pointer of 2D matrix array. 0 0 means here 2D matrix array. That means 2D means first one is stored a row 0 0 1 2 1 2. First one is 0 0, this is 0 0 element, 0 1 element, 0 2 element, 1 0 element. Okay, this is a and pointer of 0 0 element is in question paper is the this point will point the pointer of 0 0 element. Okay, so this will cause the segmentation fault, so it will print the error segmentation fault. So here option C is the correct answer. Okay, that's all for today. Please like and share to this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you friends.